Hello everyone, I'm going to show you a feature in Microsoft Word called Drop Cap. So for example, I have this Word document, and if I wanted to increase the font size of this M, so I'll just highlight it here. Normally I would increase the font size here, and as I increase the size, notice that it moves everything out of alignment. So if I just move the mouse like this, it just moves all the paragraphs out of alignment. Now you want to click on the Insert tab here, and on the right side, this is Drop Cap. And there's a drop down menu here, and for example, I'm going to click on it, and there are three options: none, dropped, and in margin. So I place the mouse cursor on the M. Now when I click on the drop down menu here, I click on drop, and this is how it shows. Now on the drop down menu, there's also in margin. So when I do that, I click on it, this is how it shows. So it eliminates the movement, eliminates the paragraphs not messing up. So this is a very handy feature in Microsoft Word. When I click on the drop down menu there's also drop cap options. When I click on that, there are some options. You can change the font here, and I can change it here. And also the lines to drop. So the lines to drop, the default is 3, which is 1, 2, and 3 here. And I can change that, for example, 6. And there's the distance from text. That means the space here. I can change that. I click OK, and that's how it shows. So I can go back here. I can change back the font. So that's how it shows. And you can just highlight this, click on home, and you can change the color. You can also change the outline, and there's shadow, there's reflection, there's so different styles that you can click on. Now also with the mouse, the cursor does not have to be, for example, at the first letter. Microsoft picks up the paragraph and picks up the first letter of the paragraph. So I could have my mouse here, for example here, and I can click on drop cap and click on drop. And as you can see, it picks up the first letter. I can do it here also. So I'll place the cursor here, click on drop cap, click on drop or in margin, and I can select the options again and change it. So that's how drop cap feature in Microsoft Word works. So I hope this video was helpful to you. I thank you for watching. I ask you to subscribe.